We have Ofelia Markarian from her own law firm in studio on a regular basis to help you navigate your rights and what you should do in certain instances.
But it's something she has done herself that we want to chat about today. So good morning, Ofelia.
Good morning.
It's great to have you in this morning. So can you introduce and tell us a little bit about Diana for our viewers watching at home and who she is, what her story is?
Yes. So Diana wasn't just a client of mine. She quickly became a friend. She came to me battling 2 horrible fights. 1, stage 4 cancer, and 1, an abusive marriage. It was very emotional for me to watch Diana go through not just chemotherapy, brain radiation, surgery, but also watch her fight in court. Diana did not stay silent. She wanted her truth to be heard. And she went to court after treatment sometimes, in pain, not feeling good, but no matter what, she kept going and she kept fighting.
Yeah.
And that was what was so inspiring to me about Diana's story.
Yeah, sorry, just saying that, you know, you obviously represented her as an attorney, but clearly there is much more to this than that. You were there for her through some very difficult times.
I tried. I mean, there's so much you can do as an attorney. Legally, there was a lot I could have done. But as a human being, emotionally, I have to watch her endure this pain. Unfortunately, Diana passed before the judge issued her ruling. And that was something that really stood by me, and I wanted to make sure, along with her family, that Diana's story was not forgotten. That there are so many other people that are maybe going through similar situation. And watching Diana go through this, a message for everyone is to, no matter how scary a situation is and no matter what you're going through, just keep fighting. And along with her family, we wanted to make sure that her story was heard and she left something behind. So we created the Diana Eduardovna Arzumanyan Fund. There is $25,000 in that fund that we're going to be giving away to families who are battling cancer and are dealing with financial hardship.
Yeah. You actually made a video, a special tribute video to her. Can you tell us a little bit about why it was important for you to do something like this?
I wanted to make sure that her story was not forgotten, and I wanted to make sure that her courage and her resilience stayed on and gave others who were watching this video motivation and hope. Going through cancer and going through court proceedings is very, very hard. Most people deal with maybe 1, but 2 at the same time is extremely hard. And we wanted to make sure that she was not forgotten and her story lived on. And this is a little hope for others who are watching to not give up and keep going.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, you know, this is something, like we've mentioned, is very, very personal to you. You wanted her legacy to live on, and there are families watching at home right now who could potentially benefit from this money that's available. Could you share exactly how they could benefit?
Yes, they can apply online on our website, tell us their story, indicate, you know, why they need the funds and how much they need, and we will evaluate each case and allocate appropriately.
Incredible. Yeah.
Well, incredible work that you're doing as well, Ofelia, with this, and it just goes to show your heart goes so much further than just the cases that you see every day. So thank you so much for joining us this morning. To learn more about everything Ofelia can do to help you and your family through her law firm, just head to OfeliaMarkarianLaw.com.